Hello, this is Myke Sanders. I'm going to show you today how events work inside the Simply Be Found platform. So the reason you create an event, it's almost identical to a post, few little extra criterias, but this falls into your engagement. The more content you're pushing out, the higher you're going to rank on the various platforms and the more feedback you're going to get from your customers. So this is a great thing to be doing. And you want to be doing an event, a post, or an offer once a week, roughly. You can do more, but it's diminishing returns. If you do too many, you can't allow the stuff that you've already created enough time to generate value. You want to think of each piece as you're putting out there as kind of like a savings account. The longer it sits, the more value it generates. It's aging a wine almost. If you generate too much, they don't have time to really appreciate and value. So after having said that, I'll show you the tool. You have your search. This is how you scan for and see what's available. Search for different things, doing and such that. We have your sorts right here, most recent to newest, and you can filter from there. Now, when you create an event, almost identical to a post. You pick your photo. You can choose from the media gallery if you want, which is photos you've already loaded. You crop it, put in your title, and then the date of the event. So I want to do it there, and I want to do it there. So that's the run date. You can put a call to action button in here, and you can see which platform you want. And from there, you can say, okay, I want to do Facebook and Twitter, publish. It gets published to all three. Now, your call to actions don't appear out on Facebook and Twitter. Rest of the information will. Call to action button only appears on Google. You can also just save this as a draft so that you can publish it out later, or you can schedule when you want it to be published out right here. And that's pretty much all you need to know for setting up an event. Thank you very much and have a good day.